Let's shift now to talking about cold therapy, which is another thing that a lot of people are experimenting with now, another thing that there are centers for all over the place, but that the research is still sort of catching up to the excitement. So we're sort of on the edge here of our understanding, but we do know some things about what cold does to the human body and actually what cold does to organisms across the spectrum.
Yeah, in fact, when we wrote Lifespan, there was almost no data on this. But now we know actually that one of the huge benefits you get from being cold is the production of brown fat. So what is brown fat? Brown fat, or often called beige fat, is found in babies. It's typically to allow them to stay warm because they don't shiver until they're about 1 year of age. And what was discovered about 10 years ago at Harvard by Bruce Spiegelman and Ron Kahn, a couple of my colleagues, is that adults also have some brown fat. And they discovered this with PET scanning. And they found that it mostly exists on your back, in your shoulder blades. And when you get cold, it revs up. You get more of this brown fat. And this is a good thing because brown fat is extremely healthy. It revs up metabolism. It burns white fat. And we think that there are these factors, little chemicals, little proteins that get secreted out of brown fat that make the rest of the body healthy as well. One of the reasons we know that is because there's a gene that makes brown fat, makes cells turn brown from white to beige to brown, and it's called PRDM16. And mice that lack this gene, they don't have brown fat, but they also develop type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease as a result.